Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is January the 19th, and this is one of our lady lavender seedlings that we planted. We started the seeds on January the 3rd, and it started coming up on January the 15th, and I just wanted to show it to you here. It did push the seed coating off, and it opened its leaves. So I wanted to show you what it looked like. Now I did move them down a little bit from the light, and we will continue to care for them the same way. Just making sure the top of the soil doesn't dry out. And in 2 weeks we'll start feeding it with Miracle Grow. We'll do the all-purpose plant food. It's a 1/4 teaspoon to a gallon of water, and you always want to make sure that your soil is wet before you feed any of your plants. You never want to feed a dry plant because you can damage the root system, and we don't want to do that. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you have a nice day. Oh, and don't forget to hit that little notification button that'll tell you when I put a new video on. Bye.